Alright, so this is what I've done today. I took my 100 watt 12 volt solar panel, which is right here. I put this board on the back of it. Got it sitting on pillows so it doesn't get scratched up, of course. And charge controller right there. Got my light run off the charge controller as a load. And from the charge controller, these white and green wires go down to the battery. And the black leads from the battery come up to this 20 farad capacitor, out of the capacitor into the inverter, and this yellow cord, which is going to an air conditioner, I'm running over here in the shed just to show that it's working and the power is not dropping. It's after dark, sun's not out, street light is on, and it's holding 12.4 volts. Only one battery, and we follow this cable down. It goes all the way back, goes to the plug-in, which goes to the air conditioner, which I don't know if you can tell, but it's running. Let me see here. See if I can put something in front of it. Which I have nothing. Well, I guess just going to take my word on it if you can't hear it running. But that's what I've done in the last hour or so. And so to prove to you, one 12 volt 100 watt solar panel, one battery, and a good MPPT charge controller can run an air conditioner.